Hello everyone, today we are here to give a commodity presentation on the company which we have selected, that is Cargill. So first of all I would like to introduce my other team members, Gurpinder Kaur Chima, Jaspinder Kaur Brad, Tejaswini and myself Sahil Prinja. So let's see today's agenda first. So agenda for today would be the overview of the company, the commodity, the different forms, the technical terms, the packaging of the poultry, the information of the supplier, and in the end we will discuss the pricing trends for the company. So let's start with the overview of the company. This company was started in year 1865 and the founder was William Wallace Cargill. Its main headquarters is in Winnipeg and this company is dealing with more than 125 countries across the world. And if we talk about the employers, there are near around 8,000 employers who are working for a Cargill. So it is one of the Canada's largest merchandisers and processors. Every day Cargill company connect farmers with the markets, the customer with ingredients, and the animals and people with the food which they need to thrive. So if we talk about the main interest of the Cargill, then its main interest is in processing of beef, poultry and oilseeds. If this company is also involved in main crop input product retailing, as well as handling, milling and salt distribution and merchandiser. So now I would like to call Jaspinder to continue further. Thank you.
Thank you, Sahil. Hello everyone, I am Jaspinder. I am going to describe about our commodity. Our commodity product is poultry. It is the leading source of protein in the whole world. The Cargill is the industry is needs to deliver greater quantity of meat more quickly, and the Cargill is using the advanced renewable technologies such as ventilation systems. It consists fans in the roofs and the side wall inlets. Next is the different forms and characteristics of poultry. There are turkey, ducks and hens. Firstly, I will describe about turkey. It is a rich source of protein and it also contains lower level of fat and cholesterol levels. It may contain amino acids and the source of selenium and serotonin. Next is the duck. It contains lot of minerals and such as copper and zinc. It also contains the fatty acids that is very helpful to gain weight quickly and healthy. Next one is the hen. Chicken is one of the best food for protein. It contains several vitamins like A, B, C, D and E. Next is the technical terms: broilers, breeders, layers and green technology. Firstly, I will tell about the broilers. The Cargill has provided solution to meet exact needs of every bird every day. It also improves the litter quality and feed conversion ratio. Next one is the breeders. Cargill provides this solution for the solution of feed and premix that levers the transgenerational effects under the various production conditions, because a poor breeder performance can have a negative impact on the profit per egg. Next one is the layers. Laying hens have a longer life than the broilers, and it can be difficult to devise the cost-effective nutritional solutions for the egg quality and other factors. And the last one is the green technology. The Cargill is using green technology for the chicken's leg health, and the next slides will be covered by the Tejaswini. Thank you.
Thank you, Jaspinder. Now here I am going to describe about the suppliers of Cargill. Cargill has both international suppliers and domestic suppliers. International suppliers of Cargill are AGC International, Tyson and JBS. AGC International is the top provider of poultry for Cargill company. It is a world-class company engaging in production of poultry. Every employer in the AGC International has almost 15 years of experience so that they can give their best in production of poultry. Then let me talk about Tyson. Tyson is an American-based company and it is it produces world's most consumed poultry and supplied to the Cargill. And Tyson is a global leader of poultry which is active in its forces from past several years. They ensure good quality in their production systems with good accuracy and consistency in their methodology. Now let me discuss about JBS. JBS is an world's most modern and it has a competitive supplier portfolio compared to other suppliers of the cargill. They supply cargill industry with a comprehensive range of quality in their poultry systems. They also produces beef, pork and lamb. Let me talk about the domestic suppliers. It is the New Life Mill and High River are the two domestic suppliers of cargill. New Life Mills are the Canada's most potential suppliers of poultry to the cargill. It is located in southern Ontario and they are in the workforce from past 40 years. Now High River is a major domestic supplier of cargill. It is located in Alberta, Canada. They are fully integrated into poultry production. Now I want to describe about the production and sale of the packaging of the poultry. When it comes to the purchase of poultry, we use a procurement in both cardboard and plastic poultry transport cages. The dimensions are solid. It is 2.5 inches into 1.75 inches. When come to the plastic poultry transport cage, it is 29 inches long and 21.25 inches wide and 12.25 inches high. They produce mostly in pound weight or in the required numbers. Weight may be varied according to customer preferences. Now I call upon Gurpinder to continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Tejas. So I'm now discussing the pricing trend for the poultry. So as we can see from this graph, in September 2017 the value was 2.11 as it goes decrease in October 2017 to December 2017, and the value was around 1.99 and it increased in the January 2018. So the value is about 2.07 and in February it's same as the last year, but in the March 2018 the value was more than 2.15, and this variation in the value may be due to the seasonal demand. So now discussing about the factors that affecting the pricing and the availability, there are three factors which are affecting the availability. So first is bird flu, second is reproduction, and third is natural disasters. So bird flu, there is very one common bird flu that's called swine flu. If it will happen to one bird, then it can spread to the whole birds, and whole birds can be die and the business can be dumped. So talking about the reproduction, if there will be any cause in the reproduction like the weak egg or the less in the reproduction, then it will decrease the availability of the poultry. If there are any natural disasters happening, like then there will be the shortage in the supply of the poultry. Then talking about the pricing, there are three factors: competition, inflation and the currency exchange rate. If there is then the competition like price fixing among the suppliers, then there will be the increase or decrease in the pricing. If the inflation will increase, then a price will again increase. If there will be a currency exchange rate, like the cargill is going to buy the poultry from the different supplier like international, then the price will increase. Now talking about the conclusion, so it is concluded that the cargill is the best company for the poultry and doing the wonderful business in their whole product, and they are putting their solution for the hunger of the world. So this is the world trading market in an effective way, thus helping to ensure higher living standard for more and more people. Thank you so much.